Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the Microsoft Edge web browser screen goes blank or black pairs when you are scrolling, so there appears to be graphical display issues. Let's fix it guys. For that, go to search menu and type installed apps. Click on open it. Microsoft Edge EDGE. Click on the three dot icon over here and select modify. Select as. So this will repair guys. Repairing Microsoft Edge requires an internet connection and will reinstall the browser. Your browser data and settings won't it be affected. Click on repair guys. After finishing this, hopefully your problem will be resolved. But if you still having a problem, go to three dot icon and select the settings. On left side, select the system and performance. On right side, disable the use hardware acceleration when available. Disable it guys and select restart, and your problem will be resolved at this point. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.